How to create an improper fraction. So your parents learned a method called the checkmark method when they were kids, and I learned the same way. So I'm going to teach you today 2 ways to change an improper fraction. So the fraction that we had on the last problem was 1 3/4. And I said that one way that you could do this would be to change your 1 whole into 4/4 and add it to the 3/4 to find your improper fraction. Remember, when you add, your denominators stay the same. They do not change if they are a common denominator, which mine are. Then I add the numerators. So I'm going to get 7. So I know 1 3/4 is going to be equal to 7/4. Now, when I use the checkmark method that your parents were taught, I'm going to take 1 3/4 and then I first multiply through the denominator. So 1 times 4 is 4. Then I add up through the numerator, which is 4 plus 3 is 7. So my numerator is 7, but I leave the denominator the same. The denominator didn't change. So I would get 7/4 if I use the checkmark method. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do this one more time, and I'm going to show the checkmark method with a different problem. So let's say I have 2 and 5/8. I'm going to first, again, multiply. 2 times 8 gives me 16. 16 plus 5 gives me 21. My denominator stays the same. The denominator does not change. So 21/8 is going to be equal to 2 and 5/8. Now you might be wondering, okay, how did you get that? Well, I know 2 whole is the same thing as 16/8 or 8/8 plus 8/8. Then I have the original 5/8 that still have to be added in to find my mixed number. So when I take 8 plus 8 plus 5, I get 16 plus 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, all over that denominator, which is common, of 8. So I got the same thing for both problems. So I know that the checkmark method works either way. It is your choice on which one you choose to do.